Hello kids, today we will learn about area. Area of a shape is the space occupied by it when kept on any surface. For example, this is a rectangle, so the area of this rectangle will be the space occupied by it when I keep this rectangle or any surface. For example, right now we have the surface as this white surface, so the amount of area it is covering is the area of this rectangle. For better you can understand, when you keep your hand on a table, so the amount of table that gets hidden, that gets hide, is the area of your palm. Similarly, when you keep your book on the table, so the amount of area, the amount of area of the table that gets covered is the area of that book. So the area can be said as the space that it occupies when kept on any surface. Now let's see area of a rectangle. Now this is a rectangle, this is the breadth of this rectangle, and this is the length. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth will give us the area of this rectangle. One more thing which we have to keep in mind here is, when we multiply length into breadth, the units will also get multiplied. For example, if the length is 4 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter, so when we will multiply these two, 4 into 5 will give us 20, and centimeter into centimeter will give us square centimeter. That means square of centimeter. Square of centimeter, you can just assume it like, when we multiply 2 into 2, what we say? This is square of 2. Similarly, 3 into 3 is the square of 3. Similarly, centimeter into centimeter will give us square centimeter. So this is an important thing which you have to take care in the area, not only of rectangle, even in of any shape. Always the unit for area is in square. Then it depends whether it is centimeter, so it will be centimeter. If it's meter, the length and breadth are, if they're in meter, it will be square meter. Okay, but it should always be in square. Now let's see the area of square. Area of a square is side into side. As we know that square is also a special rectangle. So using the same formula, there we have the length into breadth. Here we have side into side, or we can also write it as side square. Okay. Here also the same thing applies. The unit of area will always be in square centimeter or square meter. Square centimeter or square meter, depending whether the side length of the side is in centimeter or it's in meter. Now next is area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into length into breadth. Now how? I'll show you. Suppose this is a rectangle. Now if I cut this rectangle diagonally from diagonal to diagonal, you can see we will get two triangles. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. And that means we can say a triangle is half of rectangle. A triangle is half of rectangle. So with this we will get the area of triangle, because we know that area of rectangle is simple length into breadth. So area of triangle will be half into length into breadth, because a triangle is half of a rectangle. Here also the unit will be same, square centimeter or square meter, depending upon the length and breadth of triangle. But one more thing that we have to take care is, while taking the length and breadth, we will take this as the breadth and this as the length. Okay, this length, this and this is taken as the length and the breadth. We don't take the side length. No, we will not use this. We will use one side, that means the base, and the standing line from the length which will fall from the point to the base surface. This will be given in the question. This will always be given in the question. So this will be your length of the triangle, this will be your length, and this will be your breadth of the triangle. So area of triangle will be half into length into breadth. Now next comes the area of any irregular shape. For example, we have this irregular shape. Now if we have to find out the area of this shape, what we have to do? We have to first draw a grid around it. This squares is known as grid, just like you have in your math copy. So this is the grid. First we will draw a grid around it. Now we will count the complete squares in this. Now in this we have complete squares will be, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So full squares, complete squares are 21. Now next we will count half or more than half covered. Okay, half or more than half covered. So how many are half or more than half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 squares are half. This is also 9. 9 squares are half or more than half. Now we will add up these two. So 21 plus 9 will give us 30. So that means the area of this irregular shape will be 30 square centimeter. Okay, if the length of this square, this grid square is in centimeter, we will keep it as centimeter. If the length of this grid square is in meter, we will keep it as square meter. Okay, the boxes which are covered less than half, we will not count them, like this. We will not count these boxes which are covered less than half. So in this way we can find out the area of any irregular shape. I hope area topic is clear to you all. Thank you.